In this question, you have to identify the features of genetic code that allow bacteria to produce human insulin by recombinant DNA technology. Option A, genetic code is not ambiguous. Now, while it is true that a genetic code is not ambiguous, that means each codon specifies only one amino acid. But this property ensures the accurate translation of codons, but it does not explain why bacteria can produce human insulin. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, genetic code is redundant. Now, the genetic code is redundant means that multiple codons can code for the same amino acid. But this redundancy provides error tolerance, but it does not explain why genetic code can be used interchangeably across different organisms. Option C, genetic code is nearly universal. Now, the genetic code is indeed nearly universal because, with very few exceptions, all living organisms use the same codon to specify the same amino acids. So, this universality allows genes from one organism, such as humans, to be expressed into another, such as bacteria. So, bacteria can read and translate human genes to produce human proteins using recombinant DNA technology. Hence, this is the correct answer. Option D, genetic code is specific. Now, genetic code is specific. That means each codon specifies one amino acid mostly. But this feature relates to accuracy of protein synthesis and not the ability of the bacteria to produce human proteins. Hence, this is incorrect.